got something really special to show you today. We're down on Dufferin Ave, which, as you know, is one of the nicest streets in Brantford, full of historic homes, mature trees. We got this house for sale behind us. I got to give you a quick tour of some of the best features. I love a house with a breezeway, so real quick, I want to show you this before we go in the front door. You've got your 2-car garage, and behind me, this connects actually around into the backyard. I'm going to show you that space later, but just wanted to point this out. It's great. Directly in the front door, you've got this wow factor with curved staircase. Over to my right is actually set up as the home office with this gorgeous bay window. And then this side leads right into your formal dining room. Come on, take a look at the back of the house. Okay, the back half of the house is really set up for your lifestyle and entertaining. Got this sunken living room with its cathedral ceiling, brick fireplace, and views out to the back. And then check out this open eat-in kitchen. I love the eat-in area. It's wraparound windows with views all out to the back forest. Okay, check out the master suite. It's got a private ensuite behind me, walk-in closet, and the cool feature here is you got these patio sliding doors right out to your own hot tub. Upstairs is really set up for the kids with 2 more bedrooms connected by a Jack and Jill bathroom. Downstairs, there's a bunch of extra bonus space. There's a rec room, another bedroom, a workout room, and even this utility room with these great windows out to the backyard and its own separate entrance. If you need any more information on this home or want to book a private viewing for yourself, you can reach out to me. All my contact information is in the video description below.